My name is Angelo Seminara, and today I'm here to introduce you to a new product that has been launched by Davines. In actual fact, it's an oil, and it's called OI oil, which is very good for all type of hair, especially for dried hair, curly hair. But there is not really a type of hair that this oil would not fit in. So this product also guarantees you nourishment for the hair, softness, and also adds shine to the hair. What is good about this product also is that it's a very good detangler. So if you apply this product from length to ends, when you blow dry, you'll notice that the hair and the brush will run through much smoothly and easier. What I'm about to tell you also is that in this oil there is oil, which is an oil which is extract from the seeds of a fruit that we find in the Amazon. The Indians use this to protect themselves from the sun. It's got anti-aging, antioxidant, and also it's got beta-carotene, which is what root oil is all about, really. After we're taking the clips out, we're now going to finish the hair with a little bit of the oil. Okay? So we just apply a little bit to the hands, like this. And if you need more, you can put more. Just put a little bit at a time. Anyway, it's very light, so it's not going to wear the hair down. Just apply it into the hair, like this. And then we're going to brush the hair with the brush. And brush it into the hair. And you can see it's like an instant shine going through. See? It's like it's really beautiful and very shiny, the hair. So this is really the finished result. It's quite still a bit natural. It's not too blow dried, but I think it's really nice, and we have really achieved what we want. The hair is very light. You see, they don't feel that they have any products. And also the fact that I've used OI oil, just a few drops at the end, has made it also a difference, because it creates a really nice separation in the hair, and the hair looks a little bit more lived. So that's what we like. So after shampoo and conditioning the hair, what we've done here, we just towel dry the hair. So we're going to take most of the water out, and then we're going to apply the new product, which is the oil. I think you should put start with a little and then add more if you need it, but you can feel the amount and how much you need to put, you know, depending on the hair. If you have thick hair, if you have long hair, or if you have short hair, you know, it's better to put a little bit at the time. Don't overload the hair. So in this case, what we do is really important. After you have applied the oil, we're just going to brush with any brush, doesn't matter what brush is it, to begin with. And then we're going to go through with the comb, which I think is a very good and very important to use the comb, because it will basically help you to distribute the products in the hair. Then after this, we're going to go into diffusing the hair in a natural way. And here what you can see, we have basically on towel dried hair, we start putting the oil in. We have diffused the hair with the diffuser, and also now what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit more just to finish it off, just a little bit more. So this shows you that you can use this oil before and also after. And you can see the areas where the hair is a bit more thirsty, and what you do is you just go there and you just rehydrate them also. And it really leaves the curl to spring, you know, it doesn't make the hair heavy and it doesn't really tear the hair down. So I hope you like it.